All right, it's about 14 degrees out, and we're gonna get a cold start on the go-kart. Put a good amount of grease on the cables last night, and they didn't freeze up, so that's nice. Alrighty, here we go. Turn the ignition on, get the fuel on. I'm gonna choke. Actually, I'm gonna prime it, and since there's no primer bulb, I have to manually prime it here. Okay, that should be plenty. All right, I'm gonna close the choke. Here we go. Yeah, it started out pretty good. First pull. All right, I'm gonna take it for a spin now.